If you've been wanting to run Instagram DM automations without paying for expensive software that only gets more expensive with the more context that you have, like you do with ManyChat, well, I have some good news for you. You don't need to do that anymore. Instagram and Facebook now work directly with Go High Level, which means you can trigger automated DMs, send links, and build full conversation workflows inside the exact platform that can run your entire business. This feature is honestly a game changer, not just because it saves money, but because it keeps everything in one place. In today's video, I have partnered with Go High Level to show you step-by-step how to set up an Instagram comment triggered DM automation. So when someone comments a keyword like freebie, Go High Level instantly DMs them your freebie, your link, or a next step. No ManyChat, no extra tools, just Go High Level. Go High Level is your all-in-one software to start and scale your online or service-based business, and you can literally use one tool to run everything from your online courses to SMS and email marketing to DM automations and so much more. If you want to try Go High Level for yourself or want to follow along in the tutorial portion of this video and see how much easier it is to automate your DMs for yourself, you can try Go High Level free for 30 days by using my affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to you. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly break down what DM automation actually is. DM automation is when an automation software automatically replies to people on your behalf based on certain actions they take. So anytime someone comments your keyword on your post, sends you a message, reacts to your story, or triggers an action that you've set up, the system recognizes that trigger and instantly sends a message that you've already pre-written. It's like having a mini virtual assistant inside your DMs who responds instantly 24/7. This keeps conversations flowing, keeps leads warm, and makes sure no one gets ignored, even when you're offline. There's many reasons why creators, coaches, and small business owners use DM automations, some of those being instant responses equal higher conversions. People lose interest quickly on social media, and an instant reply keeps their attention and drastically increases the chances that they'll take the next step. They're perfect for delivering freebies and lead magnets, things like templates, guides, checklists, discounts, sign-up links, you name it. DM automations deliver these automatically. So it turns your comment section into a simple hands-off funnel. It boosts engagement on your post. So when people comment that keyword, that counts as engagement. So more comments equals more reach equals your content performs much better. It saves time and removes manual work. So you're not sitting there replying to the same message 30 times a day. The system does it for you consistently and instantly. And lastly, everything stays organized. All your incoming and automated conversations stay in one place, making it easier to track leads, follow up, and continue the conversation intentionally. So you might be wondering, how does Go High Level actually compare to ManyChat, which is the most popular DM automation tool? Now, here's why Go High Level can be a better option for a lot of creators and business owners. Number one, there's no additional subscriptions. With ManyChat, you're paying for another tool on top of everything else that you're already using. So Go High Level now has a native Instagram and Facebook DM automation built in, so you don't need a separate subscription just to run comment triggers or auto DMs. 2, direct Instagram and Facebook integration. Go High Level connects natively to your IG and your Facebook, so there's no third-party connectors, there's no extra syncing, and because it's built inside the platform, there's simply less that can break. 3, far fewer connection or permission issues. Now this is huge because with ManyChat, people constantly run into issues like bot disconnected, permissions expired, or Instagram stopped responding. Now since Go High Level uses Meta's official native integration, it stays connected more consistently, meaning way fewer headaches for you. 4, unlimited and more flexible workflows. ManyChat limits how much you can build unless you upgrade. Now in Go High Level, you can create unlimited workflows, combine triggers, add conditions, and stack automations however you want, all inside the same system you already use for your funnels, emails, appointments, and CRM. So in other words, you get almost everything you would normally need from ManyChat, but without the extra cost, without the connection errors, and without juggling multiple tools. Now, if you're getting any value from this video so far, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as it really helps support the channel and get my videos like this one in front of other like-minded creatives like yourself. But for now, let's get back into this video. Now that you understand what DM automation is and why Go High Level is often a better option than ManyChat, let's actually build this together. I'm going to walk you step by step through the exact workflow I use, so when someone comments a keyword like steps on my Instagram post, they instantly get a DM with my free guide. So let's jump into my screen. Step 1, you want to make sure that your Instagram is connected first inside your Go High Level sub account. So you'll go to the bottom left and click settings. Then you go to integrations and make sure your Facebook page and your Instagram account are connected. As you can see, mine is already connected here. Now, if these aren't connected, your automation won't fire, so just double check this before you build anything. Step 2, you'll create a new workflow. Next, you go to the automations tab on the left, click create workflow and choose start from scratch. Now I'm going to rename this workflow with something clear like IG comment steps, so I know exactly what it's for. Step 3, add your trigger. You'll just search Instagram and you can choose one of the 2 Instagram triggers here. Now, once that is added, we're going to set our filters so the workflow only fires on the post and the keyword that we want. For the page, you'll select the IG page that you connected. Post type, choose publish post. Post, choose the exact post that you want this automation to respond to. Then you're gonna add a keyword filter. So you wanna choose exact match and you'll type in your keyword. So in this example, I'm going to write steps. Now the workflow knows when someone comments steps on this post, it will start this automation. Step 4 will add an automatic comment reply. So next, click the plus sign, search for comment and choose reply in comments. This is where you'll write your public reply that will show underneath that comment. And just a pro tip, you can add 2 to 3 different variations so your response rotates and it doesn't look spammy. So some example variations could be, I just sent it to your DMs, check your messages, your guide is on its way, sent you the link, let me know what you think. You can also toggle on like the comment to boost your engagement. Step 5, you'll add the actual DM message. Now we're going to send the direct message. So you'll click the plus sign again, choose send message, select Instagram DM. Then you can write your message in here. So for example, I used, hi, so excited you're interested in UGC. Below is the link to the free 5 steps to become a UGC creator guide. This will show you exactly how to land your first brand deal and get started without needing a following. Grab it here for free and you just paste the link, or you can use the button and add the link in there as well. So you can personalize this, add emojis, or include additional links as well. Now, once everything is set up, you just click save, then publish, and now we can test it. So I'm gonna go to my Instagram post from a different account, comment the keyword steps, wait a few seconds, and see if I get the automated reply. So it sometimes does take a little bit of time on Instagram to send the DM, but it will arrive. So as you can see, it arrived and I can get the guide for free. Now, another cool thing you can do is you can do an optional follow-up by going to conversations to continue the chat with that contact. So a natural follow-up message is something like, hey, just checking in, did you receive the guide? But just to keep an important note about this one is you can't send Instagram messages if the last inbound message was earlier than 24 hours ago and the Instagram comment hasn't been replied to yet. Now, to be completely transparent, DM automations is powerful, but there are just a couple of drawbacks with Go High Level, which honestly aren't super big deals at all. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is the Instagram 24-hour messaging rule. You can't send an automated DM if the last inbound message from that person was more than 24 hours ago and all Instagram comment triggers have been replied to. So in simple terms, within the first 24 hours, someone engages, you can send an automated message. After 24 hours without a new interaction, you cannot send another automated message until they engage again. Now, this is a meta rule, not a platform limitation, so any automation tool will follow that. Delivery can take a few seconds as well. So Instagram sometimes takes 5 to 20 seconds to send the automated DM. It usually works fine, but it's not instant like a direct manual message. So that said, about 90% of the features most creators use, like the keyword triggers, comment to DM automations, quick replies, link sending, and simple follow-ups, are fully supported. Go High Level's DM automation tools handle everything that you need to deliver freebies, nurture leads, and boost engagement without spending extra on ManyChat. Now, again, if you do want to try Go High Level for yourself and see how much easier it is to automate your DMs, manage your conversations, and grow your business all in one place, you can try Go High Level completely risk-free for 30 days. Now, I've left the link in the description below so you can get started today and start automating your Instagram DMs like a pro. And if you did love this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.